Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to turn on 3D on your Google Maps. Okay, so when you go to Google Maps, as you can see, by default it's not set to 3D, but how can you turn on 3D on your Google Maps? So to do that, it's very simple. Come on the two squares over here. Okay, so you tap on those two squares, then after tapping on those two squares, come and look for 3D. So as you can see, 3D is the fourth option just after cycling, traffic and public transport. So you select 3D over here. So when you select 3D, you come and tap on this X icon here. So you close. So when you go back to your Google Maps, it will be in 3D. Okay, so that's how to turn on 3D on your Google Maps. Thank you for watching, guys. We shall meet in the next video.